How to make a game pass in Roblox. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a game pass in Roblox. First of all, open up your browser and search for roblox.com. After that, go to the Create at the top. Now here, go to the Creations from the left column. Then, ensure that My Experience is chosen as the default option. Now you may have various experiences, so choose one to create a game pass. Now click any one of them and then click on Open in a new tab. Next, click on the View on Roblox button. After that, click on the Store and then scroll down. Now click on the plus button at the bottom. Once you are done with this, now go back to the Creations and click on any of the experiences and then click on Configure Localization. Next, click on the passes at the bottom left corner. After that, click on the Create a Pass button. Now, you can enter your name, image, and add a description. Now, we have created a game pass. So this is how you can create a game pass. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.